Go to RHy&x.
Hey, it's Roger. I'm in the midst of South Park in an amazing home built by Prince Charles LLC. It's called the Courts of Prince Charles. Stay to the end. I've got a video of some of these lots that you could build from scratch, and I want you to meet an interior designer who's got a degree who can help you think through that process when you are picking your finishes on one of these lots. You're going to be probably 1.7 to 2 million. So first of all, say hi to Marcy Sacks.
Hi.
Marcy, what do you think about this house, and what changes could be made if somebody wanted to buy this one?
This is such an amazing house. This is the place to be, your friends and family to entertain. There's a lot of room for everybody. The way that the layout is, there isn't a bad location in any of these rooms.
Well, when you say entertaining, I remember you said that when you walked into our house, which you helped us with extensively, from remodeling the kitchen to all the way to doing the coffers in the great room. And you said, hey, you should be entertaining. So I know you know what you're talking about. Now that's big slider glass goes out.
Amazing.
Fairview Road's right there, but I couldn't hear it, and you said you couldn't.
I couldn't hear it. You know, when a house is staged, it's staged so that you walk in and you really fall in love with it. But here's the thing. You might have a few kids and you see this room and say, wow, I'm not sure that this would work for me. And then what? Then do you really know what's on your shopping list? Do you really know what sizes are correct? And maybe the colors in here are not exactly what you want. Maybe you want a little bit more of a pop of color, a little bit bolder. And where do you take that? If you book a design therapy with me, we go through everything. There's no area that isn't going to be covered floor to ceiling, top to bottom.
Well, you made mention to me that you could change maybe some of the seating here. What would you do?
Yeah, I feel like there isn't a space in this house that is a bad seat in the house, but sometimes there aren't enough seats in the house. So I would change this out to an amazing sectional, a fabulous comfy chair, that chair with swivel so that you could talk to your other guests. No one is excluded. They have this shown with artwork over the fireplace. We could change that out to the television. This is the place to be.
Well, you've got a little cool television take where you got the one that changes pictures and like changeable artwork kind of thing, right?
That's the Samsung Frame TV, and it is not as expensive as it once was. That is a really smart move, especially for a place as prominent as that.
Thanks, Marcy. You know, again, guys, if you're subscribed to my channel, you know me. She was talking about the swivel chair. Now, her husband, Bob, went to the same store, and he sat in a particular chair that I liked. And guess what we call that in my house? We call that the Bob chair. And it's a swivel and it rocks. It's really fun. In fact, with Jude, the Golden Doodle dude, he and I play ball from that chair, soccer ball, and throw the ball right there at the end of my coffee as I'm caffeinating my queen. And Marcy's worked extensively with my wife, and I'm loving what has come out of those sessions. So you can book a design therapy. Her connection details are in the description below. Tell us the name of your company again and give us the phone number.
Romancing the Home Interiors, 704-503-9721. That's 704-503-9721.
Guys, we'd love to sell you one of these homes. There are two of them, priced just north and south of 1.75. It's on Fairview Road, right close to South Park. And if you think you can hear that noise, then Marcy will help you. She's a Hunter Douglas rep. She put something on every window in our house, and she's even got insulated curtains to take it a step further, but neither she nor I could hear a thing. So guys, give me a call. Let me connect you to one of my team members. If you have a house to sell, we'd love to come and see it, hear your story, and help you get top dollar for it in the least amount of time. And then we'd love to bring you to these models, these spec homes. And if you're interested in one of these lots, stick around to the end and we'll show you those lots you can build from scratch. 704-345-3400. See you in the next video.
Go to RHy&x.